Hey guys, check this out. Inside this box is one of the coolest new gadgets that I've found, and you're not gonna believe just how cool this little thing really is. It even comes in a gift bag. So here it is, introducing the Muzen Wild Jeep FM radio and Bluetooth speaker. Opening this up is a joy. The packaging feels like something that Apple would have made. And here it is, the Wild Jeep radio itself. Featuring a zinc alloy body that can be completely disassembled, this little 8-watt speaker features a full FM radio and a 10-hour battery life. So let's take this thing apart and see what the speaker inside looks like. All of the materials feel really nice, and the construction is solid. It's hard to see, but even the radio dial is supposed to look like a tire. The back features the charging port and the space for the FM antenna. So let's get it all back together and hear what it sounds like. There are 3 power modes: Bluetooth, FM, and audio input. The volume knob is on the left, and the main dial controls the FM radio. To get a better FM signal, you can attach the supplied antenna to the back here. Now, let's test this out with the Bluetooth quality. After we quickly connect, it's over to Spotify. And while I can't play anything for that long, it sounds great coming out of this little speaker. And the design is just so cool. Maybe there aren't 7 slots, but it does say Willys on the top, and the sides almost look like jerry cans, and the dial looks like a tire. Overall, it's just a super cool design. Okay, let's see what else came in the box. We've got a manual, and this package, a carrying strap, next we've got a USB cable that can be used as the audio input. We've also got a USB charging cable and the antenna. So with the radio all set up, it's time to head over to the drive-in and test this out. Dolly loved listening to music as we waited for the movie to start. But the real action was how great this speaker sounded during the movie. Despite the size, the sound quality was amazing. It made us feel like we were in the middle of the races during F1. Want to score your own radio? Grab one in the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.